is good, Jones gang? So today I'm going to be letting Monay make me a salad for the first time. Let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. So you guys, Monay is going to be making me a salad. I can't wait to taste it. This is her first time making a salad. She just did her lettuce and now she's moving on to doing her tomatoes. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Now she's going in with her cheese. She's even added pickles, y'all. I just love pickles. She knows how I like my salads. She's going to be adding the dressing. And by the way, we use Olive Garden dressing, Italian. It's the best. If you haven't tried it, you need to give it a try. It's some of the best salad dressing there is to taste. If you haven't been to Olive Garden, you haven't tried their dressing, you need to reevaluate your life. Got a smile out of her. So you guys, she just finished. And we're going to let her do her cleaning up. And we'll get back to you guys so I can try the salad. So you guys, she finished cleaning up. This is the salad she prepared for me. It looks delicious, by the way. She's learning her cooking skills early and how to make things early. So when she's older, she'll know how to prepare her own meals. We're just going to give it a little mint so that I can make sure it has dressing all over it. And you guys, now we're going to try it. And I want to make sure I get everything onto the fork. Ain't got enough dressing on that part. Okay. And we're definitely going to try this. And let Monay know how good she did. You guys, she did a good job. She did a good job. And this is a good salad. It's just the way I like it. Let me get another bite. Found another pickle. She gets a thumbs up for this. Because this is good. You guys, I didn't know she had it in her. But I've been teaching her well after the look of this salad. And it tastes wonderful. Until next time, you guys.